Hi there. Thank you for joining us on Cooking with Ethan Cragen. Today we'll be making a microwave egg and veggie breakfast bowl. Let's talk about our ingredients. Eggs contain about 6 grams of protein a pop, and on top of that, vitamin D, which is great for your bones and immune system health. Now, spinach, and other leafy greens for that matter, are known for their wealth of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin K, which helps with your cardiovascular health. Add on some of these tomatoes to provide you with a bit of lycopene, or however it's pronounced, lycopene, and your heart will thank you on that massive walk up to work. Now, finally, for the mushrooms, they are probably also healthy. Now, let's get started. Now first, you're just gonna chop up your spinach into little slivers. Like that's probably too big, but you know, something like that, that's good. Then just do the same for your mushrooms. Which, by the way, I went with these brown ones simply because a quick Google search told me that they have more flavor, and I like the look of them. But you could very well go with white ones or purple ones or red ones or whatever other color the mushrooms come in. And your tomatoes. Now that those are all chopped up, which I may have made too many of, just add your egg, a tablespoon of water, and mix it all together. Now we're just going to microwave on high for 30 seconds. Stir it once more, and finish it off with another 30 to 45 seconds. We'll go with 40 here, just to see what happens. Look at that. Top it off with a bit of your choice of cheese. Here I have mozzarella, and whatever tomatoes may remain. And boom, look at that amazing, I was gonna say breakfast meal, but really eat it any time. And with that, we thank you.